Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Daiso and I am just looking around. Look at these zipper bags. Fantastic chocolate. I didn't choose you, my heart did. These are cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to try not to pick up a bunch of stuff because I haven't been here in a while. So they have like pink and the dark chocolate. And then look at these little zipper bags. And there's 10 of them in these. There's 22 in those. These are cute. And they even have them paper. Oh my goodness. These are adorable. And in case you don't know, everything in Daiso is $1.50 unless otherwise marked. Oh, these are cute. Look at these cookie punching mold stained glass. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. Those are the only two patterns I see. The heart and the star. But these are super cute. Okay, over here I see some cute little message cards. They have these. Here's some stamp markers. I've seen these before. And these with the cute little lips on them. Let's see, here's some acrylic mini plates. Oh, those are cute. Look at that. And it says Twinkle, and then they also have Love Princess. Here's a cute little ornament. Love, Happiness, Time. And then they have some signs, kind of like the ones you can find at Dollar Tree. This one says Magical, Lovely Princess, Power of Love. Let's bring the world together with the power of pink. That's cute. And then here's one about a car. And then here's some little hanging things where you can hang some stuff up. So you have the unicorn and then you have the heart. Look at all these Disney bags. Look, Chip and Dale, Minnie Mouse, Pooh Bear. Oh my goodness. Why do I want those? Look at Mickey and Minnie. Some of the princesses. Ariel and Rapunzel. Lots of bags. Oh my goodness, they are cute. So right here they have some washi tape. This one looks like New Year's. Look at that. It has like the drinks on it, cocktail drinks and stuff. That one says Love. Those are cute. Different ones. I didn't see these last year. And then they have a bunch over here. Here's some with some lips on it. But they say meow. I think the glare is not letting it focus, but these are cute. And they have all these. Here's some cute little cups that got the saucer or top that goes to it to keep the stuff warm. And they have it in the red and in the white. And then they have these tin cans down here. These are cute. Plastic bottle, pencil sharpener, cute little rabbit. And they have different colors. That's pink, they have yellow. They even have a little bear holding a biscuit, but I didn't even realize this goes on top of, oh, you put this on top of your water bottle. And so when you're sharpening it, all the shavings drop down in the bottle like that. How cute is that? I think I need to get one of these for my daughter. That's a good idea, I swear. Correction tape. A ballpoint pen that looks like corn. Here's one that looks like poo. Oh, this one is super cute. Animal Cafe. I love the little food on there, the toast and all of that. And then this one is like a sandwich, Animal Bakery. Here is a set of some like stationery sets. Look at those sticky notes. Those are cute. Life is sweet. And then I also see these down here. Super cute. Oh, look at these cute gift wrapping bags. That is cute. And then this one, I wish you every happiness, things will turn out fine. Cute little bags. Oh, look at this. I have not seen this before. A flexible paper bag. And you get 2 of them in here, sending you some smiles. That's kind of cool. It looks like it can fold over without any problems. Look at that. That's different. So this has a bunch of different compartments inside of there. Look at that. It says a jewel case.
He hates it, which I like it.
Okay, look at these decorative wall panels. That is so cute. Look at that. You can put this on as your backsplash or do a whole wall if you really wanted to. And they are $3, and they have this color and they have this really pretty white like pearl. Okay, that is really cool. I've never seen those before here. And you get 2 pieces in there and it's $3. It does feel light like it's plastic, but they are cute.
are closing at 9. Please make purchases at the cashier in the next 10 minutes. Our store hours are Monday to Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you very much for shopping at Daiso today.
That's why I think it's a bad idea.
Okay.
It's like a 99 cents.
That's the front immediately. Our store hours are Mondays through Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Sundays, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you so much for shopping at Daiso today.